Hydroponic hacks you can build on your balcony. Easy DIY garden for city dwellers. Imagine harvesting fresh vegetables without soil, right from your balcony. With these hydroponic hacks, you'll turn your small space into a green food machine. Let's go! Welcome to A.O.R.E Daily Life and channel where agriculture and environment meets innovation. Why hydroponic matters. City life is fast and space is tight. But with hydroponics, growing plants in water, not soil, you can grow more with less. No weeding, no messy soil, and up to 90% less water than traditional farming. Fun fact: NASA uses hydroponics to grow lettuce and radishes on the International Space Station. Hack number 1. The Bottle Tower Garden. All you need are empty plastic bottles, a cutter, and a bit of patience. Stack them vertically, cut openings for plant cups, and drill drain holes. Use a cheap aquarium pump for circulation. Boom tower garden. Tip: grow leafy greens like spinach, lettuce, basil, and ugu. They thrive in vertical systems. Fun fact: 1 square meter of hydroponic greens can feed a family of 4 weekly. Hack number 2. The gutter farm, PVC style. Got some PVC pipes? Mount them horizontally against your balcony railing. Drill holes for plant pots, set a reservoir below, and connect with a simple gravity-fed or pump system. Use a basic hydroponic nutrient mix. You can DIY it with kitchen ingredients or buy premixed kits online. Pro tip: add a shade net if your balcony gets too hot. Plants like cool roots. Hack number 3. The Kratky method. No electricity needed. This one's for lazy gardeners. No pumps, no timers. Just mix your nutrients, set your plant in a net cup, and let it drink as it grows. As water goes down, roots go deeper. Fun fact: Kratky farming works even in off-grid villages. It's popular in parts of Asia and rural Africa. Balcony-friendly crops to grow hydroponically. Great balcony crops? Start with number 1 lettuce and spinach. Number 2 basil and mint. Number 3 strawberries. Number 4 tomatoes, cherry types. Number 5 ugu and scent leaf. Want to grow yams or maize? Not ideal for hydroponics, but ask me in the comments and I'll explain why. Common mistakes and how to fix them. Yellow leaves? Check pH level. Should be 5.5 to 6.5. Roots smell bad? You may need more oxygen. Add an air stone. Slow growth? Nutrients may be too weak. Double check your recipe. Fun fact: hydroponics was used in World War II to grow food on islands without soil. Is it affordable? Yes. Start a basic system with little money. Reuse bottles, buckets, and old shelves. Advanced kits are great, but start small and scale up. It's affordable and super fun. Hack: mix your own nutrients with urea, potassium nitrate, Epsom salts, and trace minerals carefully. Which hydroponic hack will you try first? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to help more city growers discover this green solution. You grow food, you grow freedom. What next will you want me to tutor on? Is it number 1. DIY mushroom grow kit video. Number 2. Urban farming for beginners playlist. Number 3. Next week, we should talk on building a DIY fish-powered hydroponics system. Whichever it is, don't miss it. Don't forget to hit the big red subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel. Also like and share with friends, loved ones, and eco-friends. Thanks for watching.